Hi guys. Hi. It's the beginning of a new vlog, and you're probably wondering why I'm doing this while I'm walking, but why not? So I'm coming from church. It's been a minute, and I feel so guilty because the past weeks it's just been one excuse after the other, and I've just been too lazy to go to church. But then today I was reminded that, girl, you need those blessings. Go to church. So I slept like around 5. Don't mind, big brother. I slept like around 5 and I woke up around past 7. But I still managed to go to the English service because that's the one I really like. I don't like the share service because it's congested. Not congested per se, but there's like too many people, and with my allergies they always flare up because there's different scents. It's just too much. I cannot handle it. So the English service is better off, but it's also difficult because, like, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm actually, you know, I have a mild reaction. I had an allergy on church. So yeah, but that's it. I'm coming from church right now. I don't know if the lighting is good. If it's not, bear with me until I get home. But pretty much that's it. So this is a weekly vlog that we've been doing. The second one is up tomorrow, and if you're lucky, I may probably give you a Valentine's video as well, but I'm not really sure on that one because I didn't like how it came out. Like the time we were shooting, it was just that thing that the camera wasn't set right, so you couldn't really see the whole process. But then again, it's like I didn't want to take it again because it would have ruined the surprise. Like the surprise that was already done, so it wouldn't have made sense to redo it. But I don't know. But yeah, hi, if you're new, if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm Towie if you want. I'm Towera if you also want. This is my channel where we get to talk about self-love, personal growth, relationships, lifestyle, and so many other things. Let me I'm not getting to the gate. What does that even mean? Range. I'm actually surprised. This compound is supposed to have been swept yesterday, but see this. This isn't a compound that has been swept. But regardless, a win is a win. A win is a win. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, okay, we talk about all of those things. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you subscribed already, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, and turn those post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. And yeah, I'm just gonna rest a bit because, guys, I'm not sleepy, but I know there'll be a time that I'm gonna sleep, but I don't want to do that. So I have to just clean my house, clean my dishes, make sure everything is in order out of house. I literally just woke up. I didn't do anything. I woke up and I was already late. So when I was leaving, it was just that thing that, girl, you have to go to church. So I'm gonna do my dishes and make breakfast and eat and just get into the whole relaxation mode because my house is a mess and I can't show you because it's embarrassing. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done everything. If I don't, I love you. If I don't, I love you. And yeah, I hope you're gonna like and enjoy this video. It's that's the weirdest kiss. You get it. The girls that get it. The girls that don't, it's a brown for me. Look at me cooking noodles look at me. Guys, these look beautiful and they taste so amazing. It's lunch. Look at me showing you my mouth. It's lunch time. I think when I crave noodles, I want to eat noodles because since I had them, when was that? Last Saturday? Was it Saturday or Sunday? Since I had them that day, I haven't had noodles again, and I'm craving them today. It was amazing, and I really wanted spicy noodles, guys. Oh, tena kwanzere ndi. Ade basa solero.
What is it?
Hey, I stay in this hood, but this is the first time I'm like using this road. I don't even know. Look at this. We know we have such beautiful landscape, beautiful views. Yo, what? Anari kumanja kumanzere kina kuso kumanzere. No kumanzere kondu. Ade.
No.
Look at this. What? Can I stay here? I don't know this. I'm embarrassed. Oh, in short, gaje? Huh? Kenako. Siga unde uli. Mesa watika fawa. Okay, so I'm going to get my surprise from Charlotte. I didn't want to be in there. I'm going to get my surprise from Charlotte. Get your dress with my car. Because I'm not sharing mine. I'm going to share more than you know what I'm supposed to say? Oh, coffee in the corner. They're going to choose in the figure.
Livo. Mwasongera kuti.
Coins.
Hmm?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how crusty do I look? Oh my goodness. I don't even have this string. But guys, I am so happy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I hope you all can see me. So my best friend yesterday, she was like, "Oh, I got you something," and I'm there like, "Okay, what is it?" You know, I wasn't even thinking of anything. And then she sends me a screenshot. She booked me for a training on achieving your goals and setting your goals. You know, and that's something I like doing. That is literally something I like doing. So I'm just like, yo, I'm happy. I'm really happy, and it's even a blog that I've written about, which I'm going to be posting on Friday, and I'm just like so happy because I wrote it on Friday last week, but then you read it by now. It's been posted, so you can go read it. I'm gonna put my blog in the description. But oh my goodness, overall I am so happy, and I'm a bit bummed because right now my network is tripping, so I am failing to upload the video, but it should be up either today or tomorrow morning. But aside from that, she's like, I also got you something else, and I'm just there like, okay. And then she gives me the number of somebody, and guess what? The cupcake. I got cupcakes. Oh my goodness. I got cupcakes. And I've been craving cake for the longest. I don't know why. I've just been wanting cake. And she just said, I got you something. And I went to check it. And it's chocolate cupcakes with cream that is lavender. And you never saw my wedding, huh? But my wedding colors were lavender and purple and gray. And I'm just like happy. Like, her birthday was just recently, and the fact that she actually took her time out to get me a gift, and it's not even Valentine's. She just said she wanted to be grateful. I am grateful, to be honest. Like, I'm the one that is grateful because I was like, yo, if my lips are dry, mind your own. But I'm just I don't even know. I don't think I have the right words. I don't think I have the right words to say how I feel right now. But overall, I am psyched. I am happy, and I'm gonna have the best week. And that's on period. What else? What is the update? I went to school, I had classes, I did a bit of editing. I finished my editing finally. I finished my editing. We didn't have electricity since yesterday, guys. We didn't have electricity since yesterday around 1. The electricity came back today also, I think, around 1, if not 12. That's like 24 hours without electricity. Malawi, pits. Complete pits. But overall, yeah, that's it. That's just my summary for Monday. I am so glad, where we went. I've never been there, and I'm just there like, oh, this is also SOS because I've never been this side. But anyway, I think it's time I started exploring places and whatnot. But yeah, that's just it. So get your best friend. Get your best friend. Please get your best friend because I think I bagged the best friend. I hope one day you get to meet her because she stays in Blanta, which is like almost 12 hours away, and it's far. So Yeah, but one day I think you're gonna meet her, and I cannot wait for you guys to meet her. So, yeah. Kiki, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I'm having serious conversations with people, please. Oh, me, I'm an idiot too now. Just say happy Valentine.
I did.
You didn't. What time did you say? You said my Blana Valentine in the shadow at 2 midnight.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. To me, I wanted me.
To you and Barry and everybody.
Guys, making the new friends this semester. So the ignoring has been real. The betrayal has been real. I can feel it. But it's cool. It's fine. I'm okay. It's fine. I'm not strong, but I'm okay. I know the rapping is terrible, but I finished. So there's his t-shirt and I added a book to this. So it looks legit. The perfume, and now I'm just gonna like pack the gift bag. So his actual gift is in here. I got this a few days ago. If you haven't watched that vlog, go watch it. But yeah, I packed it here, and I'm gonna like put things and then set it up properly. Okay, so his gifts are set. Let me just get him on here, and then we can get to the gifting part. Beep, boop. He's leaving. Why are you smiling? Go away. He's leaving soon, so I just thought, you know what, let me just surprise him. Yeah, you can start, I think. Say hi.
I'm excited.
And then I mean, you won't say hi. Why are you?
It's your sis.
You
picked the role, bro.
Winning there.
No one forced you. You know that gunpoint.
You can start with this one.
Yeah.
What? What?
Another. My favorite, guys.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Take me through. Joey. It's not? It's not spray?
What I say?
Open the second one.
Which one?
I can open this one.
Okay.
Sorry for the wrapping. I've been a rush.
I understand.
What?
No, I'm just excited.
Okay. I'm excited too.
Why?
Why are you laughing? Ow! Why are you hitting me?
Hey, what's this?
It's a gift. Why are you hitting me? Open it.
No,
Why am I being hit? You don't like it?
no. I love it.
Then why did you hit me with this one?
Because this is already mine.
So?
This one as well.
It is? I didn't know that. Did you? What? I got new ones. You don't like your gifts? I went out of my way to get you these gifts and wrap them.
No, they're nice. But they're all mine.
So? No, open. No, I want you to react to this. You reacted to the perfume. Why are you not reacting to what I got you?
Hey, wait. And you are here giving me my own jelly.
Why are you hitting me? This one, you don't like it?
I'm pretty sure this perfume is really mine.
I thought you said the two now.
They are not.
How sure are you that it's not yours? You certain?
Yes.
Okay. So you don't like your gifts?
No, I love them.
Bye.
They are in mine.
Okay, you can open your actual gift.
Thank you.
This was a prank.
Good one. Good one.
What? I'm saying it's an actual gift. Open this. What? It's not a prank. That one is not a prank. I promise.
What?
I promise it's not a prank. What do you think it is? Why are you scared to open? Are you actually scared to open it? Why? Do you want me to help you? Okay. We're here waiting. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, let me do this. Oh, they see your reaction proper. Are you crying?
You better cry.
You better cry.
You better cry.
This guy didn't cry at our wedding. I'm expecting him to cry again. What? Baby, I didn't give it. That's a good idea. Okay, catch yourself. Organize yourself. I want to get in the younger. Why do you think it?
I don't know what to say.
I am off. That is my cue.
Yes.
Bye. So.
What? You're not talking. I'm just like letting you, get into it.
I really don't.
We're gonna give you time to process it.
I don't know what to say, guys.
What are you doing? Okay, to break the silence. Guys, this man has been using my old phone, and my old phone was so broken. Like, even the back camera was so broken. Like, if I had to take pictures, I had to use the front camera, and I could actually turn it if I want to capture something, So he took that when I got my new phone, and for the longest he's been using that old phone, and that one is from his office, so obviously that doesn't count because it's a tablet and it's just too big. For so long he's been going on and on about how he needs he doesn't say he needs a phone, but he's always complaining about how terrible his phone is. And I knew you wouldn't expect me to get you a new phone, so I got you a new phone.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. And he was always like, no, I don't need a new phone. I'm okay with the phones I'm using. But guys, in here. Hi. I think this is the most speechless you've been since I've gotten you any gift.
Yeah, that's true. I'm even shaking.
Okay, we'll be back when he's processed everything.
Oh, God, that's it.
It's yours. Can you touch it? Like, you don't even switch it on. I promise. It's yours. It's not a prank.
I know.
It's on.
It is.
It's yours.
Okay.
So,
That's the first thing you
Oh,
want
good
to
is
do.
that
yeah.
Oh, good is that you did it.
That is a beautiful camera.
It is.
Very nice.
Okay, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Can we switch with mine?
Dreams of better days.
I have a new phone.
You have a new phone.
A brand new phone.
If you've never bought anything from me, do better. Reevaluate your life choices. Ooh, look at this. It's upside down. There's so much in here. There's ladies' perfumes. Perfumes, guys. There's body sprays. There's Ron's. There's body sprays. There's more perfume. Skincare products. Body lotion. More body lotion. Bubble bath, shower gels, and the like. Sunscreen lotion. This is primer. Perfume. Nail polish. More perfume. There's the feminine wash. Guys, just come and buy from me, okay? Simple and straightforward. Come and buy from me. It's moments like this I wish I had a car. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's raining really bad. And I have to get to ShopRite to buy stuff for people from our office because I'm in the committee for women's group at our office, and they've told me to get some goodies for the ladies because it's Valentine's and whatnot. So I'm coming from the show. I was just counting. Oh my goodness. I'm calculating the stuff that I have. I hope you all can hear me because the rain is higher. Now I'm headed to ShopRite. I also have one delivery to make, so there is that. But guys, I need a car. Let me show you how the rain is. Oh my goodness. Look at how I'm walking. I can't even put my umbrella straight. Because the wind. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel like crying. This cannot be that. Guys, are you seeing the rain though? Oh, this is literally ShopRite. That's the water level. Imagine. Hi. Just too sleepy. Shame, girl. So, because lights went off, I couldn't give you your Valentine's gift.
I was having Valentine's.
Yes. So, happy Valentine's Day.
Guys, I don't have a Valentine's, but my sister's been Valentine's.
Yes, I am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you picked my favorite.
Duh.
I'll eat one.
Yes, that's yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No dibs on this.
No,
I
it's
shouldn't
there's
be
no.
eating it, and you should be like,
Oh no, I'll not. I promise.
okay.
Thank you, promise.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I start eating this right now?
Yes,
Okay.
but brush your teeth. Toodaloo. So, good morning. Good morning. It's a Wednesday. Valentine's is over. Finally. Valentine's is over. I was just doing my assignment, which is due today. I couldn't do it yesterday because I started doing it yesterday, but then I couldn't finish it because lights went off. So they came back around 11 and I had slept. When I started working on it, I just dozed off. Now I'm going to get ready because the time is almost 7 and Rashid yesterday came around 7:05. And I felt some time away because I wasn't ready. But now I want to be ready so that when he's coming, I'm prepared. And I'm not certain if it's assignment I'm acing it, guys, because with this, I want to try putting it on my face to see if I can get rid of my black spots because I don't like them. So I'll be trying this and I hope it starts working. Yo, I hope I see the results. It looks pink in person. Guys, the way my data is finishing, I don't know. It looks pink in person and says to wait for 4 minutes. So I'm just going to do that. While I'm waiting, I'm going to be making my bed, but also I'm going to be picking an outfit because we don't want to get late today. So, toodaloo. Chabwi. Alright, take one way. Yo, guys. The time I think is, wait, let me check. The time is 5:06. And they're already closed. Currently, they started closing at 5 now. So, yeah. But I just dropped the parcel and they're gonna send it for tomorrow. So, they don't forget me. But yeah, I'm headed home now. And there is my ride. Anyway, I'm headed home. I'll talk to you guys when I'm home. You'll be tripping, guys. When I say my country is beautiful, beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. It's a beautiful me. It's a beautiful me. Oh, look at these views. Guys, these views are magical. It's a magical views for me. Look at that. Anyway, it's a Thursday. Watch. It's a Thursday anyway in Caribbean. Oof, I vomited. I was so nauseous at some point, but now I'm better. Everything I ate, she went. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Cranberry juice or red grape or something, my tummy always acts up, so never again. I always say this, but I keep drinking. It's 2 o'clock and the class has finished. Today's class was like 30 minutes. It's after 2? Hey, we've stayed that long. We didn't have nowhere to go. This one is drinking my hair and she's thinking of going to the library. It's fine. Thanks for voting naked. But yeah, anyway, I think we're going to be going now, right? Zibida? Gabriela, you have plans?
No, didn't Zibida. What plans do I have?
Do not know. Your agendas don't change these days. Why did you change your outfit, eh? Were you wearing this?
Yeah, Zizi?
Yo.
Yes, my girl.
And I feel your boy.
My nigga.
Ow. You beating me. Oh, why are you violent? Why are you violent? Hi,
This is what she does.
You'll be in my vlog. Why do you seem tired with life? Are you okay?
But leave each other and then explain.
Yeah.
Clara, this
Sorry,
is what she
boss.
does. This is what she does, Clara. Kira, don't do you wait, I don't want to hear. No, wait. No, am I?
What do you want? Do you want a hug?
You don't eat your way.
Sit back here. May I do not handle fresh?
Danga na ugu. Iwe ndafuna ndukuze. In every day you are exaggerating. When makanda saba mazo tenta.
Nimeona ngali nditi ngono kaya.